Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, scroll to the sounds and vibration. Just scroll a little bit more down and here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode you should click once on the switcher, and as can you see the silent mode is activated. And just to turn off silent mode, click here once again on the switcher. You'll see here the message that the silent mode is off. And also we got a second way how we can do that. Just you should open the notification panel and the first icon here you will see the mute one. Just click here once on this mute icon and you will see that the silent mode is on. And just to turn off, sure, you should click here once again on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.